Nestled against the dramatic backdrop of the Santa Rosa Mountains, in the exclusive enclave of the Bighorn Golf Club, Palm Desert, California, lies a residence that is as much a work of art as it is a home. The brainchild of Whipple Russell Architects, the Bighorn House is a testament to the harmonious interplay of architecture, nature, and human desire. The client, a frequent visitor to the desert since childhood, harbored a lifelong dream of a home that would capture the essence of this arid landscape while offering a sanctuary of comfort and luxury. This vision served as the guiding star for the architects, who sought to create a space that would not only be visually stunning but also deeply connected to its surroundings. The house's exterior is a study in understated elegance. Clean lines and horizontal planes dominate the facade, echoing the vast expanse of the desert. A palette of desert sand and stone, manifested in the brown porcelain siding and pale stucco, seamlessly blends the structure with its environment. The driveway, paved with the same materials, reinforces the horizontal motif, drawing the eye towards the dramatic mountain range. A pond courtyard, a tranquil oasis adorned with a trio of fountains, serves as a gentle transition from the outside world into the heart of the home. This central space is a masterpiece of design, acting as a theatrical proscenium that frames the breathtaking vista of mountains, trees, and sky. It is here that the true magic of the Bighorn House unfolds. The interior is a symphony of light, space, and refined taste. An open floor plan seamlessly connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas, creating a fluid and inviting atmosphere. The all-white kitchen, a chef's dream, is equipped with a built-in bar and a large dining table, all of which enjoy unobstructed views of the desert landscape. A custom marble wine storage alcove adds a touch of sophistication to this culinary haven. Clear-story windows, strategically placed at the roofline, bathe the interior in natural light, further enhancing the sense of openness and connection to the outdoors. The home theater is a versatile space that can be transformed from a casual TV watching area with views of the entry pond into a private cinematic experience with the simple closing of doors and the deployment of blackout shades. The outdoor living space is an extension of the indoor experience, offering a luxurious retreat for relaxation and entertainment. A full outdoor kitchen and dining area, complete with a mesmerizing fire feature, invites guests to savor the magic of the desert nights. The careful integration of water, fire, and artistic landscaping creates an ambience of unparalleled tranquility. A feat of engineering as much as design, the seamless transition from indoors to outdoors is made possible by a sophisticated flooring system. The top finishing tiles are supported by adjustable pedestals, allowing for proper drainage while maintaining a perfectly level surface. This innovative approach not only ensures the longevity of the flooring but also simplifies maintenance. The primary suite is a haven of warmth and intimacy. Rich walnut floors, ceilings, and cabinetry create a cozy atmosphere, complemented by a chocolate-colored wall treatment. The owner's desire for a shower with a view was carefully considered, with landscaping designed to provide privacy while maximizing the connection to the outdoors. A large rain shower head adds a touch of luxury to this private sanctuary. Three guest suites, each with its own private patio, offer comfort and independence for visitors. A private entrance at the front gate ensures privacy and convenience for guests. The Bighorn House is more than just a residence. It is a testament to the power of design to enhance the human experience. With its harmonious blend of architecture, nature, and luxury, this home offers an unparalleled opportunity to escape the ordinary and immerse oneself in the extraordinary beauty of the desert. And there you have it, a stunning example of modern architecture nestled in the heart of nature. The Bighorn House by Whipple Russell Architects is a testament to the harmonious blend of human ingenuity and the surrounding environment. If you were captivated by this architectural masterpiece, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with fellow design enthusiasts. And most importantly, Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring projects and design insights. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.